Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for December 20th through January 1st. The pattern features a split flow for December 20th to the 24th. The northern stream starts out with an amplified ridge across the Northeast Pacific and a trough across central North America. The embedded disturbances within the streams will produce wintry precipitation across the west central states. A gradual de-amplification of the pattern will then follow. Temperatures are forecast to average above normal for the west coast states, lower Mississippi Valley in the southeast, and the east coast states. Below normal temperatures are forecast for the Rockies and the Plain states. Now, the ensemble forecasts a trough near the Bering Sea, a ridge along the west coast of Canada and the northwest. A trough is forecast over the east, with the weak ridge forecast over the southeast for December 23rd to 27th. And here we're going to look at an animation of the ensemble means. And you can see here's our trough area here, ridge along the east coast. And that's going to bring a change, but that won't last. This is going to bring keep conditions unsettled. Now, the GEFS, the ensembles mean have above normal heights over the west and the southeast, and below normal heights in the center of the nation. The GFS is more amplified compared to its ensembles. So here is the GFS. And what we have here is, here's our trough at the start of the period. This is centered on the 23rd. And then we go, we're going to go forward and see the GFS takes it out, as most of the ensembles do. But the GFS has, this is what the GFS looks like, above normal heights here with the ridge and a trough. So this is on the 17th. We start out here on the 17th, and we're going to go forward. And see, now it brings warmer air into the east. Here's our trough in the west. And then we go, here's the upper low dropping down California coast into the southwest. And it pumps warm air here across the east for the eastern U.S. And then the trough starts moving eastward. Here we are on the 23rd, the beginning of the period. And then 24th, here's Christmas. But still, like, it shows warming hanging on. Our trough back here across the Great Lakes area. So that's what we're looking at right here. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west coast states and for the southeast, and below normal temperatures for this area for precipitation. Looking for below normal precipitation for the plains to the Pacific coast, and above normal precipitation for this area. So now I'm going to look at the period for December 28th through January 1st. The ensembles maintain the pattern from the previous period for December 28th to January 1st. However, expect an little eastward slide, not really a shift, but just a little nudge of the circulation features. Some of the ensembles indicate the trough exiting the east coast, which I showed you here on the GFS model. As it brings it out, let's see as it loads again, and here it is on the 26th, 27th, and then we're going to go out, and then it brings it, it lifts it out here to the northeast. The GFS maintains a trough in the east. The ridge near the northwest coast teleconnects with the ridge trough. Sorry, a trough forming anywhere from the upper Mississippi Valley to the East Coast. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and for this region, and below normal temperatures for this area. For precipitation, models are having difficulty. Some are showing below here, above, so the closest they can come to with the other models showing is mainly where all the models agree is below normal precipitation for this area here. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for December 20th through January 1st. Thank you for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.